Hello. Not sure about many of you, but when I do eat bacon, I like my bacon extra crispy, and I'm going to show you an easy way to have crispy bacon without burning it or worrying about having to stand by. Get your bacon pre-sliced, put it in the air fryer, let it cook, flip it over, let it cook. You'll get the perfect crispy bacon. Stay tuned. Absolutely delicious. Nice, crispy. I made within 7 minutes. 400 degrees, 3 minutes. Flip it over, 3 minutes, 1 minute. Perfect crispy bacon. You couldn't even fry this in the pan to make this look this good.